Is cryptocurrency a security? This ongoing debate has been brought to the forefront of the crypto world yet again, with Coinbase requesting a key question to be answered by the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. This question pertains to the Howey test, a long-standing Supreme Court assessment for securities, and whether it should apply to digital assets. Coinbase, the largest U.S. crypto exchange, hopes it doesn't. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, however, has rebuffed Coinbase's attempt, stating that Coinbase has not successfully argued this is needed. This question sits at the heart of the SEC's accusation that Coinbase operates as an unregistered broker, exchange, and clearinghouse in the U.S. If some cryptocurrencies are securities, thus meeting the Howey test, that means Coinbase needed to get the SEC's blessing before letting customers trade them, according to regulators. The SEC, in its filing, argues that Coinbase is trying to create a new legal test for how crypto might fit into existing securities precedent, something that a district court judge had already rejected. The filing states, Coinbase remains unable to advance a single coherent version of this theory, which it now claims presents a controlling question. The SEC goes on to argue that Coinbase hasn't successfully argued that there is a controlling question in its filing. Furthermore, the SEC alleges that while Coinbase's appeal says it's focusing on a specific legal question about contractual obligations, its actual argument about the application of Howey to crypto is an entirely different question altogether. Now, the responsibility falls on Judge Catherine Polk-Fela, who's overseeing the SEC's case against Coinbase, to rule on the motion for interlocutory appeal. If she sides with Coinbase, the exchange will be able to send the motion to the actual appeals court. To sum up, the SEC has rebutted Coinbase's attempts to get the court to review how conventional securities rules apply to cryptocurrencies. The SEC argues that Coinbase is trying to create a new legal test, one that has already been rejected by a district court judge. The SEC further states that Coinbase's argument about the application of the Howey test to crypto is an entirely different question than what it claims to be focusing on. Now, the ball is in Judge Fela's court, and her ruling will determine the next steps in this ongoing debate. As we watch this unfold, the question remains, are cryptocurrencies securities? Only time will tell.